no music.
Ubwa nyuma yo kuhendera umwaka gw'2025 bimbira abandi b'imyaka yo mu Uganda, East Africa na Africa. Helena Birungi nagira ngo nuko aragumize munakoresa man okureba ngo n'ubwo umwaka yasingure medali.
I won almost all the championships of Uganda. I got first in East Africa 50cc and first in the women's junior championship in Africa. And I thank my sponsors, myself for contributing a lot to train every day, my coach, my parents and my opponents.
Omwana ogw'emyaka 10 kandi arugira ha rurengo rw'abataba dige y'amana ga 655 naza kuba nahayana ra ha rurengo rwa dige ine hamane ya 655 kandi nagira ngo ekiti kiramutegana so mukayana n'abandi.
My bike had refused to start on the gate while we were going for hit 2. So the mechanic helped me and we started, but still as I had all those problems, I still got number 1.
Batwinire targets eshatu z'oko mwaka. Batwenda kutwara ibikopo byona. Tware cha national bakatwe defending cha Africa Ladies Junior Championship, then tukatwara na CSC. So right now akaza Zimbabwe ya defending ekikopo cyeye cy'abacyara abato.
Nagira ngo nubu yakoze ari kurunje mu mpaka zo no mwaka guhire ngo bitakagiramwe buzubu ubwaro kugira ngo abarku mutamusente hamwe n'abazirebe nibija gukoraho mwaka gucyo mbase gumiza munasinga. Edison Birungi rishe wa Birungi nagira ngo bamutebekanize kurunje ha stage yagireho okureba ngo yavuga kurunje atine kutegana subwa.
But our target 1 is qualify for CSC and also go back to Namibia where we will have the MXON. Kaza kuvuga MXON. But our main emphasis is to make sure that the training of the skills to her, our basics is a new class. Nzotukuza ku emphasize ngaho omwako.
Omuzano go gwa pichipichi tegurkweta gwa mubanya Uganda binji kandi Birungi no mwaha bavuga imbarwa okurwa mu cyanga cya Ankole. Abwa TV West and Aloysius Byamukama.